The OREE rule, super important to pass your real estate exam. OR is the giver, EE receives. Got my song that y'all know. Lessor, vendor, optionor, grantor is the giver, the proprietor for your pleasure. Lessee, vendee, optionee, grantee gives me property, makes me happy. OR gives, EE receives. So Santa Claus is the giftor to all the little kids on Christmas. Who's the giftee as they receive it? So on your exam, when you see OR, you're not sure the answer, you can know that that is a giver. A grantor gives a deed to a grantee. A lessor gives a lease to a lessee. The lessee will live there. An optionor gives an option to an optionee, and so on down the line. Some people think there's an exception to this rule when it comes to mortgages. There's no exception to the rule. That drives me crazy. A mortgagor is the borrower, and the mortgagee is the lender. People say, but the mortgagor is the borrower, and they're receiving money, and there's an OR. I don't know what to do with that. That just takes up too much room in my head. It's got to be an exception. What those people are forgetting is what a mortgage is. A mortgage is a pledge. The original meaning of it is death pledge. Look it up, Google it. So when you have a mortgage, you are giving a pledge. That's right, listen to what I'm saying. You are giving. The mortgagor is giving the pledge. They're giving that promissory note, that evidence of the debt, the collateral as the home to the lender who will receive that pledge, EE, mortgagee, and then they will proceed to lend out the money. The money is not the first step. The pledge is. And that's why the mortgagor is the borrower, because they need to give that pledge before the bank's lending any money. They need to receive it. Well, I hope that helps. And remember to memorize your 5 words every morning. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.